Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. I welcome you back to today's lecture on Igbo Amaka. Welcome back, welcome back. How was your Saturday today? I hope everything went on well. So, how are we all doing? Welcome back today, welcome back today, welcome back today, welcome back today. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay? Subscribe to my channel, share my video, and like my video. Thank you so much and welcome to today's lecture. Today, we are going to discuss another wonderful topic on names of household items in Igbo language. Very interesting topic, okay? Please share the video, share the video, share the video. Share the video. Share the video to your lovely ones. Like and comment. Comment at the comment section. Ask your questions. Classic ZIZARA is always there for you to answer your questions, okay? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, my lovely people. Without wasting much of your time, I think we'll have to go straight to today's topic. We'll have to go straight to today's topic. I wouldn't want to waste your time. Yeah, I'll have to move straight to today's topic, okay? Yeah, and what do we have today? Names of household items in Igbo language. So what is in our number one list? We have plates. We have plates. And plate is called efere. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Efere, cloths. Aqua. Aqua. Cloths. Aqua. Cloths. Aqua. Cloths. Aqua. Cloths. Aqua. Bed. Bed. Aqua. Bed. Aqua. Now, you can see these two words. These two words look alike, but their pronunciation is quite different. Just like I keep on telling you, if I can be able to convert my keyboards to Igbo language, then you will be able to appreciate it very well. Because this is aqua. The bed, that of cloth is aqua, but for the bed is aqua. Aqua. You know the sound, the A goes down, the both A's, the first A goes down, and the last A goes down. Aqua. Aqua. But in the clothes, they goes up. The two A's goes up. Aqua. 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 but the other in birds, the two A's goes down. Aqua, 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 aqua. Clothes, aqua. Bed, aqua, aqua. Bed sheets, bed sheets. Aqua, nsashi, aqua. Aqua, nsachi, aqua. You see? Aqua, nsashi, aqua. Aqua, nsashi, aqua. That is bed sheets. Bed sheets. Aqua, nsashi, aqua. We have knife. 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 Mma. 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 Bag. Apa. Apa. Bag. Apa. Bag. Apa. Bus. 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 Akpat. Akpat. Bus. Akpat. Bus. Akpat. Bus. Akpat. Soap. Soap. Ncha. Ncha. Soap. Ncha. Soap. Ncha. Sponge. 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 Obo. Sponge. Obo. Sponge. Obo. Pots. Ite. Pots. Ite. Pots. Ite. Spoon. Spoon. Ngaj. Spoon. Ngaj. Spoon. Ngaj. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko. Washing machine. Washing machine. Igwe na-asa akwa. Igwe na-asa akwa. Washing machine. Igwe na-asa akwa. Washing machine. Igwe na-asa akwa. Washing machine. Igwe na-asa akwa. Cotton. 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 Akwa mgbochi. Akwa mgbochi. Akwa mgbochi. Cotton. Akwa mgbochi. Bicycle. 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 Igwe. Bicycle. igwe. Bicycle, igwe. Broom, azịza. Broom, azịza. Broom, azịza. Umbrella, nche mmiri. Nche mmiri. Umbrella, nche mmiri. Toilet, toilet. Sorry. Toilet, toilet. Toilet. Ụlọ mpochi. Ụlọ mpochi. Toilet. Ụlọ mpochi. Toilet. Ụlọ mpochi. Toilet. Ụlọ mpochi. Toilet. Ụlọ mpochi. Iron. Iron. Here we are talking about electric iron. Electric iron. Iron, that is electric iron. Ndekwa. Ndakwa. Some people call it ndekwa, but the main Central Igbo is ndakwa. 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 Needle. 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 Ndodo or ntoto. Ndodo or ntoto. Ndodo. Needle. Ndodo. Sewing machine. Sewing machine. Sewing machine. Anything machine in Igbo is igwe. Igwe, ọdụ akwa. Igwe ọdụ akwa. Sewing machine. Igwe ọdụ akwa. Igwe ọdụ akwa. Sewing machine. Igwe ọdụ akwa. Trade. 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 Owu. Trade. Owu. Trade. Owu. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Igwe nhicha. Igwe nhicha. Vacuum cleaner. Igwe nhicha. Chair. Chair. Oche. Chair. Oche. Table. Table. Okpokoro. Table. Okpokoro. Or some people call it table. Table. Okpokoro or table. Armchair. 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 Oche ndabere. Oche ndabere, armchair, 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 oche ndabere, radiator, 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 igwe mkpomọkụ ahụ, radiator, 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 igwe okpomọkụ ahụ, igwe okpomọkụ ahụ, radiator, igwe okpomọkụ ahụ, radiator, igwe okpomọkụ ahụ, zofa, 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 oche cushion, oche cushion, oche cushion, zofa, oche cushion, oche cushion. Okay, we'll have to go back and revise, what we've learned so far. We'll have to start from the beginning to go through them again so that it will stick, to our brain. Let's see what we've learned so far, if we'll be able to get them. We've written a lot. We've learned a lot. So we'll start from the beginning to go through them again. So for those that are just coming in now, what we are learning today is the names of household items in Igbo language. Names of household items in Igbo language. I will start by saying efere, 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 plate, efere, plate, efere, plate, efere, clothes, aqua, clothes, aqua, clothes, aqua, bed, aqua, bed, aqua. You can see these two words, they look alike, but their pronunciations are different. This is clothes, aqua. The two A's went up. But for the bed, aqua, the two A's comes down. Aqua. This one is aqua. This one is aqua. Bed. Bedsheet. Bedsheet. Aqua nsachi aqua. Aqua nsachi aqua. Knife. Mma. Knife. Mma. Bag. Akpa. Bag. Akpa. Bus. Akpati. Bus. Akpati. Soap. Ncha. Soap. Ncha. Sponge. Ogbo. Sponge. Ogbo. Pots. Ite. Pots. Ite. Pots. Ite. Spoon. Ngaji. Spoon. Ngaji. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko. washing machine, igwe na-asa akwa, igwe na-asa akwa, igwe na-asa akwa, or igwe na-asa akwa. Curtain, akwa mgbochi, akwa mgbochi, curtain, akwa mgbochi. Bicycle, igwe, bicycle, igwe. Broom, azịza, broom, azịza. Umbrella, nche mmiri, umbrella, nche mmiri. Toilet, ụlọ mpochi, toilet, ụlọ mpochi. Iron or electric iron, ndo akwa, iron, ndo akwa. Needle, ndodo, needle, ndodo, needle, ndodo. Sewing machine, igwe ọdụ akwa, igwe ọdụ akwa, igwe ọdụ akwa, igwe ọdụ akwa, igwe ọdụ akwa. Trade, owu, trade, owu. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Igwe nhicha, igwe nhicha. Chair, oche, chair, oche. Table, okpokoro, or some people call it table, table. You know, some Igbo pronunciations are derived from their English words. Table, something like ball, you say ball. Table, table. You know, but the main Igbo word is okpokoro. Armchair, oche ndabere, armchair, oche ndabere. Radiator, igwe okpomọkụ, radiator, igwe okpomọkụ, igwe okpomọkụ ahụ, radiator, igwe okpomọkụ ahụ, radiator. Something like the heater. The heater is the radiator. The radiator, that's the heater. Igwe okpomọkụ ahụ. Sofa, sofa. Oche, cushion, oche, cushion, oche, cushion. Okay, today we've come to the end of today's lecture. I thank you all for staying tuned. Thank you for participating in today's lecture. So do me well by going back to the video and try to go through what we've learned today, so that by tomorrow we are going to touch another interesting topic by tomorrow. So I wish you a lovely weekend, and I hope to see you again tomorrow by same time Nigerian time, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. We are going to meet tomorrow at ZIZARA TV, Classic ZIZARA TV on Igbo Amaka. So thank you for staying tuned and thank you for participating. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.